Good day, folks. So the DJI Black Friday sale starts tomorrow, and I thought we would just kind of go over things and see what's on sale and what kind of deals they have going. You can see on the counter there, it starts in 1 day and 10 hours, so that's pretty exciting. We'll just kind of scroll on through here and see what there is. Looks like there's a quiz there you can take and get a $5 coupon. They're offering daily coupons for even more savings. 10% off DJI Care Refresh, that's always nice. There, if you buy the Mavic Pro Platinum, you get a Manfrotto backpack for free, valued at $119. So let's take a look at the first deal here, which is the Mavic Air. And we'll scroll down, and you can see there that they've dropped it by $100. So as of tomorrow, you can get the Mavic Air for $699, which is a great deal. You can also get the Mavic Air with the Fly More combo for $899, which is also an incredible deal. Let's keep on going here. So Mavic Pro Platinum, they have it down $100 off, $999 for the Mavic Pro Platinum. And you can get it as a Fly More combo for $12.99. That's actually a pretty good deal. So, next item, Osmo Mobile 2. They've dropped it by a few dollars. And the Spark. Spark was actually already pretty cheap to begin with. So it looks there that they've dropped it another $40, which is a really good deal. And look at that, you can get the Fly More combo for $459. That's only $59 more than the regular price of just the Spark. So incredible deal there. Get a nice case there by PGY Tech for $89, down from $119. And the Rise Tech Tello. Let's see what kind of deals they've got going on there. The Rise Tello is going to be on sale for $79. Pretty good deal for those just looking for a cheap little drone to fly around the house in the backyard during the winter. You can get the Boost combo there for $99, so that's a pretty good deal too. And the Racing Edition goggles, they are $100 off for $49. And Mavic Pro 2. And yeah, it doesn't look like they have any deals on it. It's too new of a drone. Now, the funny thing is there's no deals for the Phantom 4, and both are out of stock, so that's really curious this time of year that they wouldn't have them in stock. Now, most are aware that there's a DJI event scheduled for the end of this month. They're going to be introducing a new product. Many were speculating, is it the Phantom 5 possibly coming out? Which, if you look at that, kind of makes sense. You know, why don't they have stock of the two drones? But with all the hints floating around, it's most likely going to be the Osmo Pocket, which is a small pocket-sized camera and gimbal. That's kind of what the consensus seems to be. But yeah, very curious that the Phantom 4s are right out of stock. Anyways, folks, that's just my little DJI Black Friday video, I guess you could call it. So yeah, if you have your eye on one of those drones, now is the time to do it. There are going to be some pretty good deals on starting tomorrow. I'm going to put a link down to the Black Friday sale so you can go check it out for yourself. I really appreciate if you buy any of the drones that are on sale. If you're going to be purchasing one, to purchase it through my link. It helps support my channel. If you enjoy my videos, it's just a good way to help support me and support my work. Anyways, folks, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. We are on the countdown to 50,000 subscribers. Last time I checked, I was at 49,118. So we should hit 50,000 by early next week. So thank you very, very much. That is so appreciated. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one.